Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice simple soup. It takes about 20 minutes tops to make. It only takes a handful of ingredients and tastes so good and fills you up real nice and full, I guess. I don't know. It's a beef macaroni soup. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, we're going to start this thing off right. We're going to get ourselves a good old pound of ground beef. Let's get a... Oops, I didn't mean to bump that. Just go ahead and slap it in there. I have a little bit of oil in the pan. You don't have to put it in there. I'm just doing it just to help fry it up a little bit. Throw it in there, you're going to cook it up until it's nice and brown. Then you're going to drain it while keeping the meat in the pot, and I'll show you what to do next when mine's ready. I almost forgot, I like to put some salt all over my ground beef, and because it's me, of course I'm going to add some paprika, if the paprika container will open. I like adding paprika to everything. I'm not going to go crazy with it because I don't want to be too spiced up or anything. Just to get a little extra flavor in my ground beef. And then I'll cook it up till it's nice and brown, and I will come back to you. Alright, now mine's all nice and browned up, and I drained out all the grease. Go ahead and add in a bag of frozen mixed vegetables. I'm using some stewing vegetables, so I'm going to break down the potatoes a little bit later so they're smaller. But it also has the onions in there to get that little extra flavor, and the carrots. You can use any other kind of vegetables you want to use for it. I just like the idea of stewing vegetables to give it a little extra flavor and stuff. You're going to let those cook for a little bit to help start getting the vegetables to thaw out before we start adding our next stuff. Alright, now the vegetables cooked up just a little bit. They're still kind of frozen, but I just want to get them started. I'm going to go ahead and add a can of diced tomatoes. A smaller can would be fine, but I'm trying to make sure I make a lot of soup, so I'm going to plop all those in there. Mix it all up. We'll let that cook here for a few seconds. Crank my heat up to high now. Slowly coming together. Yes, yes. Let's let it catch up here and cook a little bit. Go ahead and add the beef broth. I don't know if I haven't got this container before. Hopefully, it should be the right amount. If not, I'll have to add another one a little bit later here. Cat keeps meowing in the background. Fill it on up. So what I'm probably going to do here is I'm going to have to add another one of these. Just to... I'm going to need room for the pasta too here, which is the next part. Actually, we'll go ahead and add that, lovely assistant.
I'm adding a lovely assistant.
Mix it all up, and then I'm going to start letting it cook, and I'm going to bring it to boil and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the pasta's all cooked up and ready to go. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to go ahead and let it keep cooking. I'm going to go and add some more broth to it to give me some more here. I'm not used to making this much, and I will come back to you guys when mine's all boiled up and ready to go. And there we go. It's all nice and done. We got some nice yummy soup, big old chunks of stuff in there. I cut up the potatoes. I'll get more broth. Cut up the potatoes so that way they can not the giant potato inside the bowl. And there you go. Nice, yummy. Oop, I didn't mean to bump my camera like that. Nice, yummy macaroni and beef and macaroni soup. And there you have it. Told you, nice and simple. Only a few ingredients. 20 minutes. Filled me up nice. I had about a bowl and a half before I got filled up with it. But so good, so simple, easy day. If you like this video, please put a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about it. If you didn't like it, let me know what you didn't like about it. Give it a little thumbs up if you liked it. And go ahead and hit the little bell doohickey and a subscribe button while you're down there. That way you know when I post more videos and you can see my content every week. Alright, see you around.